In the vibrant and architecturally rich city of New Orleans, homeowners know that appearances and functionality matter. From historic French Quarter cottages to modern homes in Uptown, every detail contributes to a property's value. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades is door installation. Whether replacing an old entry door or adding custom exterior designs, a new door can significantly increase home value, curb appeal, and energy efficiency. Here's how investing in door installation in New Orleans can pay off. Boosting curb appeal. Instantly. New Orleans homes often carry a unique personality. The front door is one of the first features people notice and sets the tone for the rest of the house. Installing a modern, elegant, or custom-designed door can dramatically elevate your home's appearance. A high-quality wooden front door can echo the historic charm of the city, while steel or fiberglass options give a sleek, contemporary feel perfect for new construction. Stylish doors with glass accents or custom ironwork also add local flair. This immediate visual upgrade catches the eye of potential buyers, which is crucial in a competitive real estate market like New Orleans. Enhancing energy efficiency and comfort. New Orleans experiences humid summers, sudden downpours, and occasional cold snaps. An old or poorly fitted door can lead to drafts, moisture entry, and higher energy bills. Upgrading to a new, energy-efficient door with proper insulation and weather stripping reduces indoor temperature fluctuations and lowers HVAC strain. Buyers today are increasingly interested in eco-conscious, cost-saving features. Highlighting a newly installed energy-saving door on your home listing not only shows thoughtful upkeep but offers real financial appeal to prospective owners. Improving home security safety is a major concern for families buying property. New Orleans residents often choose steel entry doors or doors with multi-point locking systems to enhance protection. A solidly constructed door acts as a strong barrier against intruders and severe weather, two concerns not unfamiliar to locals. This added layer of security is something that realtors can emphasize in listings. A newly installed, high-security door becomes an instant value booster, especially in neighborhoods where safety and resilience are top priorities. Increasing property appraisal value. Appraisers look at many elements when evaluating a home's worth, and the condition of doors is one of them. A brand new, professionally installed door suggests that the home has been well maintained. It signals a homeowner who invests in quality, which can positively influence the overall home assessment. According to real estate experts, the return on investment, ROI, for door installation can be significant. Depending on the style and material, homeowners in New Orleans can expect a potential ROI of 60 to 90% on their door installation project when it comes time to sell. Standing out in a crowded market in neighborhoods like Mid-City or the Marigny, where properties often share similar layouts, having a standout entry feature can make a big difference. Custom doors with New Orleans-style detailing, like wrought iron insets, fleur-de-lis designs, or vibrant colors, offer a unique selling point. During open houses or online listings, these distinctive doors make properties more memorable. When buyers are comparing homes, that eye-catching front door might be the detail that tips the scales in your favor. Final thoughts for New Orleans homeowners looking to increase their property value. Installing a new door is a smart, cost-effective upgrade. It enhances curb appeal, improves energy efficiency and security, and adds real estate value, all while staying true to the city's unique aesthetic. Whether you choose a timeless wooden design or a sleek modern entryway, a quality door installation can help your home stand out in the best way possible.